In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move multiple reports on Salesforce. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look, what to click, and why the option might not be visible in some orgs, so you can save time organizing your reports. Start on your Salesforce homepage in Lightning Experience. At the very top, in the middle of the screen, you'll see the global search bar. Click into that and type the word report. As you type, Salesforce pulls in matches from across your org, including reports and report types. This is the fastest way to jump to the area you need without digging through tabs. From the search results, select all custom report types. Follow the result exactly as it appears in your environment. Opening this list view will place you in the screen where you'll see the related drop-down controls that surface bulk actions. Don't worry if the page title mentions report types. What matters is that the control you need to move items in bulk is exposed in this part of the interface in certain editions. Here's the key point. The ability to move multiple reports at once is only available with a paid subscription and the right permissions. If your organization is on a free trial, a limited edition, or your profile doesn't include the necessary access to manage reports, the move option simply won't appear. That's expected behavior. If you think you should have it, check your edition and speak with your Salesforce admin about permissions related to reports and folders. Now, to move multiple reports, look for the drop-down menu in the List View toolbar. This is typically near the top right of the list and may sit next to buttons like New or Options for list actions. Open that drop-down. When your subscription and permissions allow it, you'll see a Move option in the menu. Select it, then choose the reports you want to relocate and pick the destination folder. Confirm the action and Salesforce will process the move in one go, saving you from doing it report by report. If you don't see move, try a quick page refresh, ensure you're in Lightning Experience, and verify you're viewing the correct list. Still not there? It almost always comes down to addition or permissions. That's it. From the homepage, search Report, open all custom report types as shown, and use the drop-down to access Move when your plan supports it. With that, you can keep your reporting folders clean and your team productive.